This 5-minute solution will show you how to hide apps on iPhone. So follow this quick solution to hide any apps from your iPhone. So I will show you total 2 ways to hide apps. The first way is go to settings, tap on screen time, activate screen time, then tap on content and privacy restrictions, tap on allowed apps. And for example, I want to hide the Safari app from my iPhone. So here I'm going to disable Safari. Now if I go to my iPhone home screen, as you can see, the Safari browser has gone from my iPhone. So this was the first way to hide apps. And the second way is tap on screen time, content and privacy restriction, tap on content restrictions, tap on apps, and here select don't allow apps. And then as you can see, my downloaded apps have been removed or hidden from my iPhone. And to unhide, select allow all apps. So that's how we can hide and unhide apps from iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.